Took you on a holiday for 2 weeks out in Vegas. We spent all our money on designers like we famous. Drag me in a truck. Get out of here! Took you on a holiday for 2 weeks out in Vegas. We spent all our money on designers like we famous. Drag me in a church, we said our vows in front of Elvis.
I do.
He was in that one piece, had the whole thing cut in velvet. You said,
shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange.
you might as well shake it, baby.
Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Blue strange, blue strange. Shake it, shake it.
Woke up in the morning in some room of the Bellagio. Best friend to my left and to my right, some girl I don't know.
Really?
Please don't tell me that we threw the sofa out the window. Turn around, see Elvis eating peanut butter jello. He said,
shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange.
you might as well shake it, baby.
Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Blue strange, blue strange. Shake it, shake it.
Shake that loose change all day long. I don't need diamonds, don't need gold. Shake that loose change all day long. I don't need diamonds, don't need gold. Shake that loose change all day long. I don't need diamonds, don't need gold. Shake that loose change all day long.
Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Blue strange, blue strange. Shake it, shake it.
Hi there, how are you? Today we are doing the next loose change. 32 count whole wall intermediate. This one will start happens in wall 4 after count 16. Turn 1 quarter left to restart the new wall. Also, there is a 10 of 40 counts happens at the end of wall 8, physics 6 o'clock. Now the dance. First section, raise on your right, start with your left. Walk, walk, forward, shuffle. Out in step with hand movement. Out, out, in. Next section, rock right, recover, push hips, behind, side, cross, step forward 1 quarter, another quarter hitch, step on side, snap back pocket, touch with side. Next section, side, behind, side, cross, step forward, turn 1 quarter left, side should shake, half turn left, side should shake. Last section, cross quarter back, coaster step. 1 quarter right, bump hips. Half turn right, bump hips. Now facing 9 o'clock. Now the count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one will start happens in wall 4 after count 16. Wall 4 starts at 3 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then turn 1 quarter left to restart a new wall. Please attend the 40 counts happens at the end of wall 8. Visit 6 o'clock. Now the tag. First action, step, clap, step, clap, step, clap, clap. Cross, quarter, side, shake. Section 2, 3, 4 repeats the same pattern. Step, clap, step, clap, step, clap, clap. Cross, quarter, side, shake. The counts 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last action. Cross, back, side, cross. The last 4 counts run around for full turn left. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Touch left next to right on 8. And then we start the new wall at 6 o'clock. So this is the whole dance. Hope you like it, and we'll see you next time.
Get out of here! Took you on a holiday for 2 weeks out in Vegas. We spent all our money on designers.